Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, your U.S. authorized warranty and service center. Today we are going to be replacing valve 5 on this unit. In previous videos we have already removed the door as well as the top cover. Valve 5 is a common fault in these units. After removing the top cover, we're going to focus on valve 5, which is this bottom valve right here. There's two electrical connectors. We're going to pull both those connectors, and there's two tubes connected to the bottom of valve 5. Using needle nose, you can pull the tubing off and this valve will pop out of place, pushing from the base and pulling back on the tubing. You can remove valve 5. When replacing this, you will notice there is two numbers. There's a number 2 on this side and a number 1 on this side. Putting this valve back in, you want the number 2 visible going towards the front of the unit. To put this back in, I'm going to line up on the bottom of the tray that the valve sits in and push it into the tubing. And then slide the front tube back into place, making sure I get these clips completely over the nipple on the valve. After that, make sure you plug in your two connectors again to valve 5. And that is how you replace valve 5. Any questions, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.